Hey there, taking AP French this year? Feeling excited or maybe terrified? Don't worry, in this video, I'll give you 5 quick survival tips to help you start strong, stay motivated, and make AP French way less scary. Tip number 1. Don't panic if you don't understand everything. Seriously, AP French is not about being perfect. It's about communicating, even when your grammar's messy or your vocab's not there yet. The goal is to express ideas, not translate every word. Okay, tip number 2. Learn phrases, not just words. You don't need 1,000 new words. You need ready-to-use expressions like à mon avis, cependant, or je suis d'accord avec. These are gold for writing and speaking. Tip number 3. Practice speaking out loud. No, you won't magically become fluent by reading. You need to hear your voice, even if it feels awkward at first. So talk to yourself, record voice notes, pretend you're doing the AP oral. Tip number 4. Stick to the 6 themes. The AP exam is built around 6 big themes, like identity, family, technology. The more you think and speak in those categories, the more your brain will be exam ready. Every week, you can take 5 minutes and write about one of these topics in a journal. Tip number 5. Find what makes French fun for you. French is more than exams, guys. Watch French YouTubers, listen to French music, scroll French TikTok, look up Paris fashion. Okay, anything that makes you want to come back tomorrow. Do that. So there you go, your 5 keys to surviving AP French. I'll be posting new videos every week to help you with vocab, grammar, exam tasks, and cultural themes. So drop a comment below. Which of these tips do you need the most right now? And don't forget to hit subscribe so we can get through this together. Remember, guys, you've got this. Tu vas y arriver.